Yan has 48 coins consisting of a mix of nickels and dimes. If the total value of these coins is $3.90, how many more dimes does he have than nickels? This is an example of a question in which we may be frozen. We may not know how to proceed to solve it. Okay? We might ask ourselves, do we set up an algebraic equation? How do I solve this? It looks like we need a ton of trial and error to solve it. But remember, this is a multiple choice test. We can use the choices to help us find the answer. So look at the choices, start with an easy number. Number 10. The 10 represents the difference between the number of nickels and dimes. So we're having 10 more dimes than nickels, and even here, we might not know how many dimes and nickels we have. So we might start with 28 and 20 and say, well, that's not 10, that's a difference of 8. So we just adjust. This goes up to 29, and this goes to 19. Okay? So if we have 29 dimes, that's $2.90. If we have 19 nickels, that's 95 cents. When we add this up, we get a result, a sum of $3.85, which is very, very close to $3.90. Okay? So even though A isn't an answer, we're getting closer to the answer. So we just try the next choice. We can, we adjust the 29 up 1 and 19 down 1. The difference is 12 coins. 30 dimes is $3. 18 nickels is 90 cents. The sum of which is $3.90, what we're looking for. So the difference between dimes and nickels is 12. We have 12 more dimes. Okay? Just another example of a SHSAT question, which we're not doing from scratch. And we can use the choices as a guide to help us find the correct answer.